Hello, in this session, we will discuss ionic mobility. At infinite dilution, all electrolytes are completely dissociated. Their molar conductance differ vastly from one another due to differences in speeds of ions. Molar conductance at infinite dilution for HCl and sodium chloride is. It can be seen that molar conductance at infinite dilution of HCl is more than 3 times as high as that of sodium chloride. Chloride ion is common, so speed of H ions is more than 3 times that of sodium ions. Speed of an ion varies with the potential applied. Ionic mobility U is the distance traveled by an ion per second under potential gradient of 1 volt per meter. U is equal to velocity of an ion divided by potential gradient, and potential gradient is potential applied in volt divided by distance between the electrodes in meter. Numerical problem. A potential of 12 volts was applied to two electrodes placed 20 centimeter apart. A dilute solution of ammonium chloride was placed between the electrodes when ammonium ion was found to cover a distance of 1.60 centimeter in 1 hour. What is the mobility of ammonium ion? Solution is ionic mobility, which is given as distance traveled by ion per second under potential gradient of 1 volt per meter. Distance traveled by ammonium ion is 1.6 centimeter, means it is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 2 meters. Distance traveled by ammonium ion per second comes out to be 4.44 into 10 raised to power minus 6 meter per second. Potential gradient is 12 volt divided by 20 centimeter. It comes out to be 60 volt per meter. Therefore, mobility of ion is distance traveled by ammonium ions per second divided by a potential gradient. It comes out to be 7.41 into 10 raised to power minus 8 meter square per volt per second. This is the mobility of ammonium ions. We have calculated. Speed of gaseous molecules is equal to 10 raised to power 2 meter per second. Hence, ionic mobility is extremely small as compared to speed of the gaseous molecules. Low mobility of ions is due to frequent collisions between ions and solvent molecules, as the mean free path of molecules in the liquid is very small. Ionic mobility of proton in aqueous solutions is 5 to 10 times that of other ions except OH ions. If we see the proton, it is small in size and has a high charge density. It is heavily hydrated. A trihydrate of hydronium ion is This structure, because of the large size and shape, should predict the mobility of proton to be low rather than high. The high mobility of proton in water or hydroxyl solvent can be explained by Groth's mechanism of proton conduction. This is the Groth's mechanism of proton conduction. H ion moves rapidly from H3O positive to the hydrogen bonded water molecule and is transferred further along the series of hydrogen bonded water molecules by a rearrangement of hydrogen bonds. Resulting in this situation, the proton leaving the chain is on the right is not the same as the proton entering the chain on the left. Groth's model also explains why proton ions move about 50 times more rapidly through ice than through liquid water. Ice has tetrahedral structure with each oxygen atom surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms. Each hydrogen atom lies on the line joining the center of the oxygen atoms. This hydrogen is between these 2 oxygen atoms. This hydrogen is between oxygen atoms. This hydrogen is between oxygen atoms. When water molecules are oriented properly, as in the case of ice, the hydrogen ions can move rapidly through its tetrahedral structure. Hence, proton moves about 50 times more rapidly through ice than through liquid water. Lithium ions and sodium ions have comparatively lower ionic mobilities in comparison to proton. This is due to small radii. These are having high charge density. Ions are more hydrated by ion dipole interaction than the larger ions. These hydrated ions has to drag along a shell of water as it moves through the solution. Its mobility is naturally less than that of an unhydrated ion. Ionic mobilities increase with the temperature. Temperature coefficients being very nearly the same for all the ions in a given solvent, ionic mobilities increase by about 2% per degree in the vicinity of 25 degrees centigrade. Thanks for watching this video.